Hey, so after my last video where I taught a stupid machine to recognize digits, yep, that mess, I finally touched some grass, felt peace, regretted it instantly. That's too peaceful for me. So I'm back with more stupid shit. This time I'm gonna teach Chrome Dino to play Chrome Dino. Yup, the game you only touch when your Wi-Fi decides to ghost you. Even people with no internet don't play it anymore. But guess what? I do because I have issues. Let's get started. First of all, we need to make the game so we can integrate AI into it. Here's the catch. I didn't know how to make browser games until I did some research just for this video, and that's when I found this cool JavaScript framework called Phaser.js. So I spun up a new project, set up Phaser.js, and boom. Yeah, we have got a long way to go. So, for our character, this little guy, let's add him in and make him run. I downloaded a character image from Google, wrote some code, boring stuff, don't worry, and it should work now. The player should be running. Hey, yo bro, you're supposed to run. Stop slacking off. Let's fix this little guy.
A few moments later.
And there we go. That's more like it. Now he's running and leaping forward. I also added a scoreboard so we can see how far our dino goes. Now this is progress. But wait, he still gets stuck at the end. Yeah, not very endless runner for you, my guy. So here is what we need. You'd think the dino has to move infinitely forward, right? That's what they want you to think. But no, that's not how this works. In reality, the dino isn't moving at all. It's the ground underneath that's sliding to the left. We are just taking the motion, giving the illusion that our dino is sprinting like his life depends on it. The trick is called parallax scrolling. It's what most endless runners use to make it look like things are flying by. When in reality, your character is just chilling in a place and pretending to be productive. Kinda like me in online classes. Enough with the nerdy stuff. Let's give this guy a treadmill to run on. After some help from Stack Overflow, we finally got working treadmill for our dino. Now he's ready to lose some weight. Not that he's fat. So now our dino just keeps running. No danger, no drama, no challenge. Let's fix that. Time to add some obstacles. The original game has like 2 or 3 types. That flying bird and some cactuses. I'm not adding the bird. That's way too much work for my lazy ass. So cactuses it is. First we'll spawn a single cactus. As the game goes on, we'll increase the difficulty. And yeah, I did it. I added the obstacles. When the dino hits one, game restarts. I was gonna show how difficulty scales, but my recording decided to randomly stop. Maybe I hit some weird hotkeys or OBS had a breakdown, who knows. Anyway, bugs aside, it works. And that's a win in my book. So now that the game actually works, our dino can jump, run, crash. All the essentials. It's time to go to the next level. AI time. We are not just playing the game anymore. We are about to teach the dino to play it by himself. For that, I'm using Neaptic, a tool that basically trains a bunch of virtual dinos to jump, fail, and suffer until one of them finally stops being dumb. Here is how it works. We give the dino brain, basic neural network. It looks at the world and makes decisions. Every time it jumps a cactus, plus 1 point. Nice job, champ. Slams into one, minus 1 point.
Failure!
Alright, so I hit run on the AI. Generation 1, straight into the cactus. Generation 2, same thing. 3, still headbutting like it's a feature, not a bug. Honestly, the first 10 generations felt like watching toddlers sprint into a wall over and over. Inspirational in the worst way. Around generation 11, one of them finally goes, wait a minute, what if I jump? Suddenly all of them start doing it. The next few gens jump, 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 even when there's nothing in front of them. But then generation 17 rolls in, and a few dinos, not all, just few, they don't panic, they don't jump too early, they actually time it right. Cactus comes in and instead of eating themselves into it like usual, they just jump. Clean, late, efficient. Like they finally got tired of dying. Not gonna lie, it felt kinda cool seeing it click. All those fails, all that code, starting to pay off. And yeah, that's where I left it for now. By the way, if you like this video or just enjoy watching me suffer, drop a like and sub or whatever. And yo, I also built websites that actually don't crash, unlike my early dinos. So if you're looking for a clean, fast site, hit me up. There's my Insta. Don't forget to follow me on Insta too. Catch you in the next one. Peace.